The Gunpowder Plot.
Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
The 5th of November 1605 is an important date in British history. On that day, Guy Fawkes tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London. He wanted to kill the king and the members of his government. At the time, the king was King James I. He was a Protestant, and there were religious tensions between the Protestants and the Catholics. Catholics were often the victims of religious persecution. Guy Fawkes was a Catholic, and he and his friends were very unhappy with the political situation. They had a plan to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Today, British people call this plan the Gunpowder Plot. The Gunpowder Plot wasn't successful. The King's men arrested Guy Fawkes in a basement room under the Houses of Parliament on the 5th of November. Near him, there were 36 barrels of gunpowder. That night, there were big bonfires in the streets of London to celebrate Guy Fawkes' arrest.
Guy Fawkes Night, Bonfire Night, November the 5th.
British people remember the event today with a festival called Bonfire Night. On the evening of the 5th of November, they make bonfires. They have parties and they watch firework displays. The fireworks contain gunpowder and they symbolise the Gunpowder Plot. People sometimes put a model of Guy Fawkes on the bonfires. They call the model a guy.
A penny for the guy.
People eat jacket potatoes, sausages and toffee apples.
Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.